Now we're gonna show you what you can do with the soft tortilla. And what goes with soft tortillas? Fajitas. And what's the best way to get fajitas? Flank steak. Are you kidding me? Now you gotta understand about that. Look at that. That's a beautiful piece of flank steak. Is that not gorgeous? Kind of a tough meat though. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of break that down. Make a nice marinade to help that process. Start out with some flavor kick right here, some chili powder. Like it hot? Yeah. Little coriander next. Little pepper, little pea. Like it hot. Little cumin, little flavor pop, a little garlic powder for a little more flavor pop for you. You like your garlic? Little vegetable oil. You gotta break that down, all those, and help the process. And here's the big kicker. Help break down this flank steak for us to make that meat so tenderized. Little lime juice. Yeah, that acid will help just break down all those connective tissues. A little kosher salt for you. Now you gotta remember, you're gonna need some time when it goes in the fridge. Minimum of 6, best overnight, 24 if you can do it. Gonna bring this right back here.
Yeah,
I'm gonna make you a serious fajita salsa. Then we're going to the grill. I've got the green onions.
I got the red pepper. I've got the red onion. I got the tomato.
And chop, please. Done.
Done.
Yeah. Very nice. Green onions are going in the bowl. On to work down there. You got your carrot.
Tomatoes.
I've got the cilantro.
I've got the yellow pepper. I've got the jalapeno. And I still have the tomatoes.
And we're chopping. Done. Yeah. Little tang, little flavor pop there with the cilantro. A couple more ingredients. Put a little S&P, little pepper, little lime juice, little tanginess, little tartness, little flavor pop. With the help of my team, you have got the makings of a classic road grill fajita salsa. Mix that up. That looks delicious, ladies. Look what we did. Smell all the way around, all the way around.
Teamwork.
Oh, how good is that?
Yeah.
Classic fajita salsa right there. That's what I'm talking about. We're excited about these soft tacos in the bowl right here, going on a top shelf. Let them warm up for us. What am I fixing to do here? I'm gonna oil my grill. Okay? We want high heat. That is smoking hot, and we're good to go. We got our flank steak. Hey, and just let me remind you, that's been in the fridge at least 24 hours marinating. That's got to stay in there for 4 minutes. Then we'll flip it over, and we are so close to eating some delicious, tender fajitas. Oh, yeah. Oh, some nice char marks happening there. It's been 4 minutes. Can't wait to get in there, flip this, watch these char marks. Oh, baby. Oh, that looks good. Oh, man, does that look good. That looks awesome. See what I did right there? I had Mr. Flank Steak tinted up, give him a chance to relax. He's been all locked up tight on that grill right there working for us. We had to give him a chance to relax. So all those juices flow through that piece of meat as we cut it up here. Oh, man. I'm gonna open up the tortillas here, and they're nice and warm from our grill. Look at that. Flat tortilla, remember what we did before? We did it blackened scallops on some crispy tortillas. Now we're simply gonna take some of this, throw it on there. Little sour cream. Oh, very nice. that like that. Roll him down there. Do it again.